I'm about to swap this AE86. I'm about to BMW swap it. I took the engine and the transmission out the M92 convertible. So I'm about to put it in here. It's gonna be the 3-liter BMW engine, and this is a cheap way I do swaps. Just go ahead and swap it. Take the old engine out. I don't do this LS and stuff like that. I found cheaper ways. Go ahead and that's the engine I took out of the BMW that I'm gonna sell it for. I put some crappy engine in it and I'm about to sell it. So just take it, boom, swap it, boom. Let's go ahead and swap that. Yes sir, got a little upgrades. That was the ones that came with it. Of course I'm gonna, you know. And I'm gonna just take the probably just go ahead and just take the regular transmission from there. It's 28,000, so 70,000, about 80,000, 85,000 for the whole swap. Boom, 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 and of course that's coming soon. All-wheel drive. I didn't really want to do this engine, but the Toyota engines are pretty expensive. BMW, Toyota. I don't really like to put different manufacturers and different engines, so pretty much kept it like this. Now I definitely know I'm gonna have to upgrade these wheels, but let's just see what it flies right now. So he's on the regular stop, everything. So actually, let me change the tires. At least let me put on Sport Plus. Remember, everything is stock, so it's still stock AE86. God damn, this mother's flying. Oops. Of course, I'm not going to be messing with this now, too. Cool. Baby tires on there. Let me do it. Ooh. Yeah, this ball has some fat wheel tires on here. I didn't really, it was an unexpected swap. I thought I was just doing something. So just messing around, but yeah, that's what it is.